To create a floor plan drawing of a room, start by measuring the room walls along the floor. Measure the doors and the windows. Measure the distance from walls and between features. Also make note of electrical switches, electrical outlets, and the lights. Now transfer your measurements to grid paper. This is an overhead view of the room, and I'm using each box to represent 1 foot. This wall is 15 feet wide, so I counted boxes 1, 2, 3, all the way over to 15. The door swings into the room, and the window is next to it. Here's the light switch, the outlet receptacle, and the ceiling light. Use this same technique to finish your room. If you want to get more advanced, you can make the walls thicker, and you can indicate which switches control specific lights. And that's the beginning of a simple floor plan.